Is the VEVOR 40V ice auger a scam, or is it just a too-good-to-be-true budget find? Let's cut right to the chase. This thing is legit. It drills holes through thick ice up to 31 inches, and it does it fast. I've seen users say it powers right through, even in 40-degree weather. Now, is it perfect? Not quite. The VEVOR auger is more like that Harbor Freight special of the ice world. It works, it's seriously affordable, and at around 5 pounds, it's so light you'll forget you're carrying it. The brushless 40-volt motor and 2-battery system keep it running strong, plus you get a reverse function to clear holes. Super handy. You can even use it for post-hole digging in the summer. But, here's what you need to know before you hit buy. The complaints aren't about performance, they're about reliability and support. Some people never have an issue. Others? They've had parts break after a season or two, and getting replacement blades or returns can be a real headache. If you expect Eskimo or Strikemaster level customer service or rock-solid build quality, this isn't it. So, should you buy the VEVOR 40V? If you're a weekend ice angler or you're just getting started, it's a steal. Just buy from the official VEVOR site or Amazon. There are scammers out there with fake listings. But if you fish hard, fish often, or rely on your gear every single trip, you might want to spend more for a premium brand. Bottom line, VEVOR's 40V ice auger isn't a scam, but it's not built to last forever. It's a budget powerhouse with a few quirks. If that fits your style, you'll be drilling in no time.